House Leader of the Third Party.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Members.
Mr. Speaker, this government claims to support British Columbians, yet 1 in 10 live below the poverty line. 1/3 of teens report needing but not seeking professional mental health care. 6 people are dying every day from a poison drug supply, and homelessness continues to rise. The absence of affordable housing, accessible health care, a robust social safety net, and community connection have created the difficult conditions we are seeing today. Through you, Honourable Speaker, to the Premier, in a time crying out for transformative change, what is your vision for the future of BC, and what exactly are you doing in 2025 to realize it? Thank you.
Minister of Housing.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Honourable Speaker. I thank the member for the question. The member knows that because we've met to talk about the need for expanding more affordable housing options for everyone. We've discussed options for seniors in this House, and of course we want to provide options for youth as well. The member will know that not only are we expanding affordable housing options for young people, I was just in Kamloops visiting a site that's just opened for young people. I saw the hope in people's faces when they get to see a place and it's theirs. We want to be expanding that in communities throughout the province. But we also are providing rent supplements for young people that, so that they can get into market rental housing, so that they can find housing that perhaps is just outside of their income bracket, but can provide some certainty for them to stay in their communities. We know there's a lot more work to do, but we are doing that work right now.
Member supplemental.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Clearly, the work you're carrying out is not meeting the moment. There's much more to this than simply expanding housing. British Columbians deserve more from their government. They deserve barrier-free access to health care, mental health support, affordable housing, we've discussed, accessible public spaces to feel like they belong in this province. We deserve a government that can prove that it cares for our collective well-being, that our grandchildren will have a livable planet, that we will be met with care and support when we seek help, and that our voices matter at decision-making tables. Through you, Honourable Speaker, to the Premier, what conditions do our communities need for you to feel like your vision is being met? Thank you.
Minister.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. And again, thank the member for the question. All those things that the member described are the same values that we have, the same aspirations we have for young people in British Columbia, in all of our communities. I don't think, Honourable Speaker, I don't think there's a member in this place that doesn't want the same thing for every single young person, whether they're in our family, whether they're in our community, whether they're our neighbours. And so I appreciate the member raising this, but housing is central. We understand that when you have housing, housing is healthcare. Housing is the ability for people to get ahead in the economy, Honourable Speaker. It's central to everything we do. And so that's why we've put so much attention. That's why the Premier has made housing, investments in affordable housing, one of the central pillars of his work since he's become Premier. The largest expansion in affordable housing in the entire country, Honourable Speaker, happening here in British Columbia. We know that we need to ensure that there are holistic supports in place. We're going to continue to do that work. Look forward to working with the member to make sure that the vision that he described is a reality for young people across British Columbia.